Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to get free audio from YouTube. Free, this mean free of copyrights and free of license, of course. So you can use this audio into all your video or for you to produce a product or film or anything. You can just type in Google YouTube audio library like this. Then you can just click here. Okay, you can see there is many track in here that you can play. Okay, you can set the attribution to not required. This is for safest thing. Duration you can choose also for instrument, mood or genre, but I just need attribution not required. So if I make a product or video using this audio, I don't need to include attribution or credit to maker. Okay, I want to download. You can see there. You can see here. You are free to use this song. Okay, I want to download as many I want. So you can download all video if you need all of this video. Okay, that's all guys. Tutorial how to get the YouTube free audio library or YouTube free audio. Thanks for watching and bye bye.